So this is my strawberry patch. Kind of had these up to hold the netting to keep from birds getting, and it's been working well. I haven't had any get in there, but I've only had a handful of strawberries. But look how healthy they are. So this is the first year planting them over here. I transplanted them from over there so I can do more tomatoes. So I'm hoping next year I'll actually get some good strawberries. So what I did in this garden is I layered it with all these cardboard, just flattened them out, laid them all over underneath. Then I piled dirt on it and then some mulch. And I don't have to water it as much. It really retains the moisture because I can go a few days and they're still fine. I don't know how, but if you look at that. It's still pretty good. I mean, it's still moist and it looks healthy. I mean, it's really done good with putting the boxes under it. And I've got all these runners. Oh no. Oh. And that is the bad thing about, oh my. Yeah. So it does keep birds out, but they can get tangled. Oh, no, I don't like that at all. Yeah. Ugh. Okay. I didn't really think about that. So I think I'll have to think of something different. I don't want birds getting tangled up in it and dying. Oh my goodness. I did put these little windmills. I got them at Walmart, and I bought some online, and they seem to help deter with the movement. But I'm wondering about having more of those. And I think I'm going to take the netting off and figure something else out. Because that is the bad thing. These birds can get tangled in it. And I love the wild animals, so I definitely don't want that to happen. But I do, if you're doing a new strawberry patch, I recommend you do the compost. Put stuff down. Like I had all this cardboard that I just layered underneath it, then layered tons of dirt. And I don't know, it seems to do really well. And I think it also, it gradually breaks down, but I think it also is good compost. So I haven't put food out here, leftovers. I've heard some people say, throw your leftovers out here, but you're going to attract critters. And I have chickens, so I don't want to attract critters. But it's the end of the season, so if they're healthy, I'm going to cut them back because they recommend you just kind of chopping them when they're only like an inch or two above, and next year they'll just come out so full and healthy. So I'm going to do that. So see what they do next year, and hopefully I'll get a lot of strawberries next year because I definitely want a lot of strawberries. So this part of preparing for the fall and the winter. It's fall now, so got to start doing all kinds of stuff for your gardens. We all know that, to prepare them for next year, prepare them for the winter. So until next time, bye guys.